Okay, let's quickly take a look at what happens with drawings and donations when it comes to your VAT control account. Recap, just on the left you've got your input. So first of all, your bank or your creditors control refers to purchases. You are buying stock from your supplier and then they charge you VAT. So let's say you're buying a t-shirt for 100 Rand, they will charge you an extra 15 Rand, which means you have now paid input VAT. They will pay it to SARS, so indirectly that is some VAT you've put down for that t-shirt already. Say for creditors control the same, you're buying one t-shirt and you're paying an extra 15 Rand because they're charging you VAT, and they will make sure that VAT goes to SARS. So that's on that specific t-shirt. If you look on the right hand side, what I've recorded there, I've got my output VAT. So this means now that I am selling my products, and then I'll calculate it on a selling price. I'll take, let's say, 100% markup, and that's 30 Rand on each t-shirt. So I will then, if I sell that one t-shirt, have a 30 Rand recorded there as output VAT, and for debtors control selling that t-shirt, 30 Rand also, just working with one item to simplify the example. So this is just to recap so you can remember what the basics were. Now if I go to drawings and donations, it gets a little bit more complex. Let's say the owner wants to take one t-shirt for himself. So inside your purchases, inside here, that t-shirt is sitting currently as input VAT. You recorded it, you paid your VAT towards that t-shirt. Now he wants to take it. Now, you have to record some output VAT, because otherwise at the end of the day, you have said minus my VAT on something that you never actually did end up selling and receiving that VAT from a customer. So technically, if you want to try and understand it this way, you are selling it. You're selling it to the owner. But to him, we always sell it at cost price. So there's no profits involved. It's actually very simple. If you sell it to the owner, your basic transaction is drawings will be debited and your trading stock account, because I'm selling my t-shirt to him, will be credited. There's no sales or cost of sales of anything like that involved there. My issue with the VAT though is it cost me 115 Rand to get that t-shirt. So currently in my stock, yes, that was 100 Rand. So it sat there as a balance. And now I'm going to take the 100 Rand out. So that works perfectly. But my drawings is worth 115. So I have to record on this side drawings GJ the 15 Rand, so that 15 Rand of that t-shirt can now disappear. It is gone. It's basically what I paid for it at the supplier. I actually record on this side as well. So I have to cancel. You can also use that word if that makes more sense for you. The VAT input that you had on that t-shirt. Same applies for donations. If you look at donations, it would be donations as an expense, debit, and your trading stock credit. But again, when you bought it, you paid 15 Rand input VAT. So now your books are not completely balanced. That's not quite the word, but it's lopsided. So your donation will have to sit on this side as well, where you're taking out that 15 Rand that is sitting on the debit side, and you'll say the 15 Rand goes there for that one t-shirt that you are donating. So at the end of the day, it's 0-0. You have paid your tax on the t-shirt when you bought it. And again, donation is calculated on cost price. Whereas these two at the top, CRJ and DJ, is calculated on a selling price, which will always be bigger than what it originally with the input side cost you. This side, it will be match for match. It will be exactly the same. But you do need to enter it to make sure that you remove it now from your box.